Hi, beauties. I hope you are doing well. So, recently I have been getting quite a few messages, emails, LinkedIn requests, LinkedIn messages, and calls from students who are planning to join MBA. Most of them have the same question: दीदी ये MBA कैसा होता है, डिफिकल्ट है क्या, मैं साइंस बैकग्राउंड से हूँ, मुझे MSc करना चाहिए या MBA करना चाहिए, how will I survive in MBA? And honestly, I understand these fears because I had the same exact questions before joining, और उस टाइम पे मेरे पास कोई नहीं था बताने के लिए. So this video is for them who really needs help. So I will tell you all the experiences I had and how will you guys going to survive in this. So let's start the video. So let's talk about my background. Before I started MBA, I completed my BSc in biotechnology and genetics. So no, I didn't come from a commerce background and had never studied accounts, finance, business studies, or management before. So when I got admitted to MBA, I was literally excited, but at the same time, I was terrified. Let's talk about my confusion after bachelor's. So when I completed my BSc in biotechnology and genetics, I wasn't 100% sure about my next step. So I was giving CUET PG also and was asking my friends, and I was looking for the MSc colleges also in Christ, Joseph, and like that. So I think many students go through this phase, especially people who are actually confused what to do after BSc. So you have finished your degree, people started asking what next, your relative will ask, your friends will ask, your family will ask, and somewhere in between all that you're trying to figure it out yourself. So yes, you have to do it, you have to do the good research, you have to go through what are your interests and what can you do in your life. Like, I have researched a lot. I was actually going for embryology, but after that I thought that I should go for MBA because maybe I wanted to try something very new, and one of my friend also suggested me that you should actually give it a try at least. So here I am. I chose MBA. For me, MBA wasn't a childhood dream. I didn't wake up one day and suddenly decide I wanted to become a manager. I was simply exploring my options. The more I researched, the more I realized MBA could open different doors for me, not just jobs, but confidence, communication, networking, exposure. And honestly, I felt I needed that. So now let's talk about what I was scared of. I was scared that everyone around me would know more than me. I thought commerce students would understand everything instantly while I'd be sitting there completely confused. I was scared of presentation. I was scared of speaking in front of people. I was scared of finance subjects. And honestly, I even questioned whether I had made the right decision. So, what MBA is actually like? Now, after completing all the 4 semesters, let me tell you something very honestly. MBA is not impossible. MBA is not only for the commerce student. Anyone can do the MBA. All the engineering students, science students, math students, anyone in the world can do the MBA. MBA is not about being the smartest person in the room. It is about learning. Okay, so in MBA you have to unlearn whatever you have learned in your previous bachelor degree or maybe in your school, whatever. Okay, it's about relearn, unlearn, and relearn. You will learn new concept, you will make presentation, you will work in groups, you will participate in discussions, you will. I wanted to give you a little glimpse that what was my first semester experience, because बहुत लोग डरते हैं कि कैसा होगा कॉलेज में जाएंगे तो हाउ विल इट बी, क्योंकि हमें तो कुछ भी नहीं आता समथिंग. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू कि क्या क्या तैयारी करके जाना चाहिए है इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियोस. सो आई विल टेल यू दैट माय फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर वाज डेफिनेटली वेरी ओवरवेलमिंग. बहुत बिजी था, बहुत हेक्टिक था, एवरीथिंग वाज न्यू, न्यू पीपल, न्यू सब्जेक्ट्स, न्यू एक्सपेक्टेशंस. समटाइम्स आई अंडरस्टूड थिंग्स इमीडिएटली, समटाइम्स आई डिडंट. सो देयर वर मोमेंट्स व्हेन आई फेल्ट बिहाइंड, लिटरली बहुत पीछे लगता था कि कुछ भी नहीं आता है, क्या करना है. So but uh, what helped me was reminding myself that everyone starts somewhere. So मैंने भी कहीं ना कहीं start किया, and see, I have done it. I mean, like, I'm very proud of myself right now that I have. Okay, so for the students who are confused what to do in your future after BSc, so if you're watching this and you are about to finish your bachelor's degree or taking drop or anything, confused between MSc or MBA, I just want to tell you something. It's okay if you don't have everything figured out. It's okay if you are confused. It's okay if you are scared. You don't need to have your entire life planned at 21 or 22. Take your time, research, talk to people, explore options, and choose what's right for you. If MSc is right for you, please go for MSc. If MBA is for you, then go for MBA. Just don't regret it later that you haven't done that. And अभी भी कुछ बिगड़ा नहीं है. Anything can happen if you are persistent, you will figure it out. I'm sure of it. So the final message from my side: if you are considering MBA, don't reject the idea just because you are from the science or non-commerce background. Your background is where you start. It's not where you have to stay. If I could take that step despite being scared, you can too. If you are someone who is feeling confused, scared, or unsure about your next step, just know you're not alone. Leave your questions in the comment, mail me, send a request on LinkedIn. I'm very much active there, as you know, and I'll do my best to help you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself, beauties, and keep moving forward. God bless you.